Hello everyone, my name is Himanshu Vasani and I am excited to be joining the team. This is my onboarding video where I will be demonstrating that I have successfully set up the Line Inspector development environment on my local machine. So in this video, I will cover four main things. Okay, so first I will explain what the task requirements were and what I needed to accomplish. Second, I will walk you through the setup steps that I have completed to get everything running. Third, I will demonstrate all the services that are like currently running and so you like the complete system in action. And finally, I will explain how the different components are interacting with each other and like how an image is flowing through the entire inspection pipeline, basically like from input to result display. So yeah, let's get this started. So uh, so basically, my main objective was to set up the complete line inspector development environment locally and like demonstrate everything. So, uh, like for that, basically, I had an invitation on for the GitLab. So, I like went to the GitLab and configured my SSH key for my local system to the GitLab repository. From there, I cloned the repo inside my local system with the help of all these commands. So after that, like I checked the it was instructed to check the README file for like cloning the project and setting up the project. So these were the all the things that I follow. So prerequisites were like Docker, Compose, everything I have like it was pre-installed on my system. So I cloned the repository, I set it up the environment variables. But one issue was there, like where I didn't have the Azure Container S3 credentials. So it was mentioned that I need to contact the DevOps team. So here I was stuck for a while, but then I read the whole README, and it was also provided like we can also clone and run the project without private registry access. So I followed the steps. I cloned the engine simulator, like I build the Docker image for engine simulator with this command. Then from like in the Docker compose.yml file, I commented out this part which was necessary for running it in the local system without the Azure credentials basically. So phpMyAdmin I commented out, network manager I commented out. Apart from that, I changed the engine image to like use on my local system, and also platform I added AMD 64 over here as I am using a Mac system currently. Yeah. So let me quickly run this. So for this, the first requirement was to run the cell command so that the Docker cell will be running on my environment. Okay, so the services are started. I'm inside this cell now. So here I can do npm run dev, which will start all of my services like backend, frontend, and all the repos that I have cloned basically. So it has started the front end and back end and everything as well. Let's wait for a while. Okay, since the services are running, I will move to the provided URL for the project front end basically. Let's go back to the IDE. Yeah, here I can see like all the services are running, file watcher and also the post processor, backend and front end parts are running. Okay, so since everything is running, let me quickly like place a image which was assigned with. Uh, I will just take this image and I will place it in the images folder. Uh, as soon as I placed it, it found an image, like inside the images folder, an image is provided. So it quickly fetched the image and started processing it. The processing is done, I guess. Let me go to the front end part. If I refresh this, we can see the image is already processed as I have already uploaded and the entry is saved in the DB. So it is telling me like false, negative, and defect. So if I do it, okay. This was the previous one which came when I first like instructed it. Okay. Moving on to the services part, how the services are interconnecting with each other. Yes. So, like the first one is file watcher services, which is directly connected with this image folder. Whenever I put any image over there, or a new image is appearing, whether from like let's say production line camera or the example we have set, it immediately detects it using file system events. And the file watcher basically it is passing the image to engine vision connector. So this component is basically acting as a translator and validator. So it validates the image format and quality. It is also like adding metadata, like timestamps and source information from the images folder for the image. So that I checked everything inside the repo, like what is emitted. Also, the README provided over here, like it explained me pretty much what was provided, what it is checking and everything. The configuration to control the system's file monitoring behavior, everything was also provided here. Moving on, engine vision connector basically, if we go over there. So the file watcher is passing the image to the engine vision connector. So this component is basically validating the image format, and also it may be performing like some pre-processing like resizing or color normalization as well. So moving on, also our engine basically I can think of it as a AI simulator that is like we kept here for local environment. For like production I can think of is it as a more sophisticated AI model that is trained like on thousands of product images. So basically it is analyzing the image, I think using computer vision and machine learning. Also it may be like detecting the defects like scratches, dents, or some misalignments as well. Also, it may be assigning some confidence scores, like typically percentage like 95% or something like that, so that how much confident it is. Also, it is like giving us a pass or fail kind of determination kind of thing. Okay. Moving on, so the next part is post processor. So basically, the AI raw AI results that are fetched from the engine are basically passed to the post processor. This is where like business logic is applied basically. So business logic can be like filtering false positives, like defects that aren't actually the problems, and also it is applying some quality thresholds as well, like some scratches maybe like that are under 2 millimeter can be accepted or not. Some it is also maybe aggregating multiple detections as well, and also formats like results for storage as well. So this I think this ensures the results align with the company's specific quality standards basically, not just what AI thinks, right? So moving on, the fifth component is result router. So it is the result router basically determines where to send the processed result, right? It's we can think of it as a traffic controller basically. So it will pass the results either to the DB itself, or some failed results might trigger like some alerts to the company, or results can be routed to multiple destinations simultaneously as well. Apart from that, in our system, like results were routed to the assist backend. So here, in the assist backend, I saw like pretty much the stack was Nest.js that we have used for our backend. So it is exposing REST API endpoints for like the front end to fetch data. Apart from that, it is storing in MySQL database for like permanent record keeping. Also, it is caching the like recent results in Redis for fast retrieval as well. Moving on, like this is the bridge between data processing and data display. So our last component is like front end. Basically, it is a React project, and along with we have used white along with the React, where we saw like localhost 5173 is displaying the results to the operator. So it fetches the data from the like backend API, it is rendering the image and effect highlights as well. It also allows the operators to like review, override, or add notes. Also, there are some production insights as well over here, like some analysis on performance, quality, and the production overview and everything. Uh, so yeah, so to like basically summarize what I have demonstrated, first I like successfully set up the complete repo in my local system, right? And including like building the engine simulator locally and configuring all services. Secondly, like I showed you, all the services are running pretty much like database, cache system, all are working together without errors. Third, like I demonstrated the complete image processing pipeline by like placing a test image in the images section, and the image was as soon as I placed it, it was processed also, and we were able to see it in the UI. So finally, I have explained the architecture of like how components are interacting, like for from file watcher through AI engine to like final result display. Like, so I'm pretty confident in the setup, and like also excited to start contributing to actual development tasks. So I understand the system architecture as well, the data flow, and like how all the components are working together. So yeah, looking forward to working with the team and contributing to like the line inspector project. So thank you. That's pretty much it.